Yeah. 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 Now we are live. Hello. This evening. Today is Saturday. Saturday in Lingala is mokolo ya samedi or mokolo ya poso. Yeah. Today in the studio, this home studio, with my brother. Brother in Lingala is Ndeko. He will introduce himself.
This face is familiar in this world of Lingala. This is Malagisi Godfrey Jambo. Today I'm here with my brother. I've been impressed with what he has been doing. So today I came to see how he does his things. Now today, that's why I came to look for him in his den.
Yeah, welcome.
Thank you.
So we are going to start with the song Nakoma mbanda na mama ya mobali na ngai. The song was composed by Franco, and then on vocals I think we have Simaro, not Simaro, we have Sam Mangwana. Nakoma mbanda na mama ya mobali na ngai is my mother-in-law has become
she has turned me into her co-wife.
a co-wife.
Yeah, whenever she women have this competition thing.
Yeah,
Even if she comes in his son's in her son's house,
yeah,
she wants to compete with the daughter-in-law.
yeah,
Whatever the daughter-in-law wears, she wants the son to buy it for her.
yeah.
Even the perfume the daughter-in-law wears,
Yeah,
she wants the son to buy for her.
To buy for her.
So this is the conflict of the family.
So let's start. Yoga is to listen. So the on vocals you have Sam Mangwana, Franco, Joski Kiamkuta, Michelle Boibanda, and then on the guitar you have Simaro, and then Ntoya is on.
The late Gege Magaya was also there.
Yeah, bass is by
bass Tempundi Deka.
Yeah, the song was done 1976.
1976.
Yeah.
Yoka Kilo ya Kinshasa. Listen to the weight of Kinshasa.
But
There's a problem in Yoka Kilo ya Kinshasa.
The weight of Kinshasa.
Kilo is a weight.
Yeah. Just make the
marriages. People are divorcing in Kinshasa because of the conflicts in the families.
Yeah.
Brought by the mothers-in-law,
the
relatives of a husband.
Yeah.
They normally come to cause chaos in marriages.
In marriage, true. Mabala mazaliko kufa na Kinshasa.
Yeah, it is because of the misunderstanding brought by the family of the husband.
The husband, yeah.
They cause chaos. Yeah. They bring the chaos brought by the family members of the husband.
Yeah. Mama, yeah.
The mother-in-law does not like the son, the daughter-in-law. Yeah. She turns her into her rival.
Yeah.
Anything the daughter-in-law wears, she wants the son to buy her.
Yeah. Yempe alingi alata. Kolata is to put on.
She wants to wear that.
This, yeah. Nyoso bokilo akosomba.
Anything that the daughter-in-law will buy for herself.
Yeah.
She wants also to be bought by the same thing.
Yeah.
Like a competition. Yeah. In fact, whenever she asks for money from her son, and the son says, maybe I don't have the money,
yeah,
she just
thinks that
starts creating a fuss.
Yeah.
Just accusing the daughter-in-law
that
of because he's the one who told her husband not to give her mother.
Yeah. IABC basemeki nanga.
Because that problem does not end there.
Yeah.
The mother will accuse the wife of telling the husband not to give her money.
Yeah.
And then she will carry that same story to her kids.
Yeah.
Who will also come with the same resentment towards their sister-in-law.
Yeah. Ekomina basemeki. Now even it is now
if it reaches to the in-laws, that story has reached the in-law, they will also in return start showing resentment towards their sister-in-law. That's now it will be creating conflict.
Yeah.
So to a point now they want to see what
approach her.
A
witch
a
doctor.
medicine man. A witch doctor. They say a witch doctor. So that they could harm the sister-in-law.
Yeah.
Maybe they want to kill her.
Nde alongo langai dibala.
So they want to create the witch doctor to make a concoction for them,
so that she leaves
to make the husband to hate her, so that he can chase her from the marriage.
Yeah.
So that their brother, once the brother chases away their sister-in-law, he'll be
giving them
everything they want. How does it concern me? Is it my problem?
Yangai
nini? Inanihusu nini? I'm here just because of the children.
Yeah.
I've been turned into a rival of my mother-in-law.
Yeah.
In this marriage.
Yeah.
It has reached a point we don't even talk to each other.
Yeah.
With my sisters-in-law.
Yeah.
Basemeki nangai
basi
tolobana kate.
Yeah.
Because of this marriage.
Mama ya mobali akoma mbanda na ngai na yeba tina te.
My mother-in-law just became turned me to her rival. I don't know the reason why.
Yeah. That is the voice of Franco.
Yeah.
Libala na yake.
I came in a troublesome marriage.
Yeah.
I'm tired of this marriage.
Basemeki nangaya basi tolobakate.
Yeah, because I don't. It has reached to a point. I don't speak to my sisters-in-law. They don't even speak to me.
Yeah.
There is that enmity because of this marriage. We started our relationship with my husband when we were still students at the campus.
At the campus, yeah.
The revolution, during that time, there was the Congo had not gained its independence.
Yeah.
So at that moment, there was a revolution.
Yeah.
So when they were students, there was something like there was chaos in the country.
Disturbance.
So they went
abroad. Porto. Afterwards, they came to Kinshasa when the country had calmed down, and the husband, since he was educated, he was nominated to a high position in the
You see, this song is the same as Samuel Emmanuel.
Oh, Samuel Emmanuel.
Yeah, it's the same case.
Yeah.
It is like Bielo Madilu copied something from this song.
Oh.
Yeah, you see, like this one,
Yeah.
when they heard that the husband
Yeah.
has been nominated
To a higher
to a
position.
higher position, the relative was scrambling to come
To
to live with them in the city now.
Yeah.
They say it's the same case.
Yeah. Okay.
Banominayo PDGs wele.
Yeah.
Bafamina
But you are
yo,
going to do it.
Katenganina.
It's a very nice song.
Nandako.
nakola
The same thing.
banzungu ya pondu bakolia bandimanga ite.
I used to cook for them 10 pots of food,
Yeah.
but they ate, but they never even thanked me for it.
Onga libalo yo.
I'm tired of this marriage.
Okilo na ngai ya mwasi biloko nyonso na kosomba ye mpe alingi asomba ye.
My mother-in-law, whatever I buy, she also wants to buy.
To buy.
Yeah. We are just in a competition.
Soki nalati or blanc ye mpe
If I wear ordo, she wants to wear ordo. The fashion of
alingi
those
alata ye. Magasin nyonso na kokota atunaka kombo bandeko ye.
every fashion shop I enter, she wants to ask which shop is that, which shop, so
The
that
name.
she can go and buy.
Yeah.
The same thing I just bought.
Onga libalo yo. Nakomane banana mama ya mobali nanga bandeko ye. Ona mobali yo. Asemeki nanga ya basikolo banakate mama.
Listeners, you are free. You can make your requests, comments.
Yeah, you are welcome.
So that you just tell us on what to do, on which area to improve.
Basemeki nanga ya basi batomboka bakangela ngai elongi ye.
My in-laws are angry with me.
Yeah.
They are looking at me in the rage.
Yeah. Bakangelinga elongi.
Yeah.
Elongi is the face.
Yeah.
They are frowned.
They are frowning.
Bayaki kosenga mbongo epai ya ndeko na bango.
Because they've come to ask for money from their brother, but their brother said he
Tangu
doesn't have.
apimeli bango ngai na memi ngambo
If
ye.
he denies them money, now I'm the problem. They accuse me.
Balobinga na pekisi ndeko na bango apesa bango mbongo te.
I'm the one who told their brother not to give them money.
Onga libalo yo.
I'm tired of this marriage.
Nakomane banana mama ya mobali nanga bandeko ye. Ona mobali yo. Basemeki nanga ya basikolo banakate mama. Ona mibali yo. Basemeki nanga ya mibali toyokanaka te likambo ya voiture.
Now my brothers-in-law, our main problem is the vehicle. You know, they normally want to drive the vehicle of my husband when he's not there.
When he's not there.
Now when I don't give them the key, it's a problem again.
Soki mobali na ngai akena mission.
If my husband is out on a mission,
na nsima bango batikali balingi batambwisa voiture.
Back here, they want to drive the vehicle because the husband is not there.
Soki na boy.
If I refuse to give them the key,
ngai na memi ngambo
it becomes a big problem.
balobi ngai mwasi mabe.
They've told the neighbors that I'm a bad woman. They've told the neighbors that I'm a wizard. I'm a witch, not a wizard. I'm a witch. A wizard is a man.
Yeah.
I'm a witch.
Yeah.
They've told the
Mwasi andoki.
I'm a wizard. This lady is a wizard. I'm tired of this marriage.
babukilo na ngai ya mwasi soki aye na ndako aboyi kosolisa bakoko na ye.
It has reached a point even my mother-in-law doesn't speak to her
Grandchildren.
That's a limit.
Soki akomi akangeli ngai elongi ye.
When she comes in the house with a frowned face.
Ata bakoko na ye aboyi na ye kolobisa ye.
Even her grandchildren, she doesn't speak to them.
Soki akuti mwana na ye apaluki na nsima ya ndako ye.
And she sees the son, she goes behind the house.
Lisolo ya mwana na ye alingi ngai nayoka te bandeko ye.
Now, she doesn't want to speak with her son when in my presence.
Yeah, she doesn't want me to hear.
Yeah.
Oh, ngali balo yo.
I'm tired of this marriage.
Nakoma mbanda na mama ya mobali na ngai bandeko ye. Mwana mobali yo. Basemeki na ngai ya basitolo banakate mama. Mwana libalo yo.
That is part 2.
Basi bakoma komono pase pa ya babukilo.
Women are really suffering because of their in-laws. In the hands of their in-laws.
Epa ya basemeki ya basi mpe basemeki ya mibali ye.
They have problems even with their sisters-in-law
And the fathers
and
and the daughters-in-law.
yeah.
Basi bakoki koloba te
Basi bakoki kolobate.
And
They just don't speak.
they don't want their sister, the sisters, the brothers, wives to their brothers to speak in a family.
bandeko ye. Surtout soki mwasi apotaka te moya loba ezali te bandeko ye.
Especially when you are barren. It's a problem.
Bakangela ye elongi likolo ya mobali ye.
They frown.
The foreigner, she is barren. She doesn't bring any kids forth. They don't want to even listen to her.
Soki mobali azwi mbongo bayikaka apesaka fami na bango.
When the man receives money, they just want to be given all the money.
Yeah, they want the money from their brother. The brother
Ngali balo yo.
Nakoma
mbanda na mama ya mobali na ngai bandeko ye. Mwana mobali yo. Basemeki na ngai ya basitolo banakate mama. Mwana libalo yo. Bamama ya mibali botika babokilo ya basi nye bandeko.
Now, Franco here is advising mothers-in-law to leave their daughters-in-law in
in
peace.
peace. Nye is peace.
Yeah. Please don't interfere with your children's marriage.
Conseil na kompese ezali mpo na bino nyonso. Soki ntango mwana na yo alingi mwana ya bato libala ye.
When your son loves somebody for marriage, just leave them in peace.
Leave them in peace.
Yo kokende kopesa toli mpo alinga mwana na yo.
What you need to go, just go there and advise them how to live and how to learn and to love each other and stay in peace.
Soki akomi na ndako komi kolukila ye ngambo ye.
You are not supposed to look trouble for them when you
In their
visit them.
houses. Yeah.
Oli olinga mwasi liboso komi kolinga mwasi ya mibale bandeko.
Instead of loving in some instances, the sons have two wives. So instead of loving
Both of
them,
them.
you find that the mother-in-law favors the younger wife,
Second wife.
the second wife.
Okomi kaka kolia epa ya mwasi ya mibale bandeko.
Now she favors the younger wife, the second wife.
That's why you go to eat.
That's where she eats. That's where she does her thing. She sabotages the first wife.
Olobi mwasi ya liboso.
You say the first wife.
It's a witch. You're telling the second wife that the first wife is a witch. We have looked for that problem. How she's a witch.
We are not saying.
We have not seen anything like that.
Oh, ngali balo yo.
I'm tired of this marriage.
Basemeki na ngai ya basitolo banakate mama. Mwana libala yo. Bukilo nanga ya mwasi ya poya kosukola mai ya douche bande.
Hey. Now, when it comes to bathing, she doesn't want to go to bathe with a shower.
Yeah.
She wants a basin, the bathtub.
Mm.
Yeah? She refused to use the shower. She wants to use the bathtub.
Mm.
Alingi kaka sukola kana ye na bassin.
The washing basin.
Yeah, in a bathtub. She just wants to bathe in a bathtub. Like the way we bathe. Yeah. You know, there is a bathtub and there is a shower.
Yeah.
Shower for the guests,
Yeah.
and the bathtub for the in the main, which means now that's a master shoot.
Oh,
She wants to bathe in the master
the
shoot.
main, yeah.
That's a private place.
Yeah.
Mama nangaye.
I just wonder, Mama Nangai.
Mona mobali yo. Asemeki nangaye basikolo banakate mama. Mona libalo yo. Bukilo nanga ya mwasi soki na sombi super wax. Yepe alingi ya sombai.
You know, wax is certain kitenge. Yeah. You saw like Pepe Kales and Somba wax.
Oh, okay.
Wax is a certain kitenge cloth. Yeah, a certain design.
Oh.
So whenever she buys that wax,
The mother-in-law
also wants to buy the same wax.
Soki na sombi mapapa ya utalo yepe alingi ya latai. Katika sada.
The sandals of Waterloo. You know that Waterloo is there was those sandals.
Oh, sandals.
Yeah, they were in fashion.
Oh, sapato. Sapato is like
Sapato
the
is
shoes.
The shoes. So
She also wants
she
them.
also wants those shoes. Those kind of
Soki
shoes.
na sombi poudre.
Whatever she buys, she wants to buy.
Yepe alingi ya sombai. Malasi ya solo kitoko. Yepe alingi
She wants to wear
kopakola.
the same
Expensive
expensive
perfume.
that the daughter-in-law wears.
Soki
This is a
utali mbula.
competition.
Oh, this is
One concurrence.
Samangwana.
Yeah, that's French.
Yeah.
So this the concurrence is a competition in
Na
French.
ye ekoki na
Wana
makambo
congress.
ya sata na ela. Nyonso na kosala na ndako. Alingi koyoka te bandeko we.
Whatever I do in the house, you also want to do it.
Ngali balo yo. Mama
Tired of
na
this
ngai
one.
ye. Nakoma ne banana mama ya mobali na nga bandeko we. Bona mobali yo. Asemeki na ngai basikolo banakate mama.
I think after this, kafanya Matata mwasi na mobali.
Basemeki na ngai ya basi bakanga kombo na ngai epai ya ngangai.
Now they took me to the witch doctor.
Balobi soki mobali azwi mbongo apesaka ngai te bandeko.
That witch doctor told them that when the husband will be getting money,
You should not.
he will not be giving me. They will be given the money. He will always give them money.
Bayebisi epai ya mama na bango babi ngai ndoki ye.
When the plan failed, now they told their mother that woman must be a witch.
Oh, ngali balo yo. Oh, mama na ngai ye.
I'm tired of this man.
Bona mobali yo. Asemeki na ngai basikolo banakate mama.
So Basemeki, just like in Kiswahili.
Basemeji. Masemeji.
Yeah,
Basemeki.
Yeah.
Basemeki na ngai abasi tolobanakate. Masemeji zangu wanawake katuongelesha. We never speak to each other. With my sisters in law.
Okilo na ngai ya mobali nkutu ye akipaka na ye makambo yo te.
My father-in-law is a very gentleman.
He doesn't care.
even care.
Soki ayoki
That
akomi kotomboka na mwasi na ye.
when she sees such a thing, silly things, she just
He
gets angry with his wife.
Aloba na mwasi na ye atika libala ya mwana na ye ya mobali ye.
He advises the wife to stop meddling in her son's marriage.
Likambo ya mwasi na mobali
Leave them alone. Don't
bakotaka
interfere.
te. Soki ngai nake na zando nasombeli ye mikate na
When
ye.
I go to the market, I normally buy bread father-in-law.
Mikate is bread.
Yeah, bread. I also buy for him. When I buy for him ginger, he's so proud of it. When I leave the house, I give him 100 makuta. Makuta was a certain currency. They were coins.
Yeah, coins.
Di makusa.
Yeah.
Pesa di makusa ya pamba.
Yeah.
So he normally left the father-in-law with 100 of them.
Yeah.
10 of them. So he will use that 100 makuta to buy alcohol. When he drinks, he gets intoxicated.
Yeah.
When he gets intoxicated,
he starts sleep.
When he sleeps, he vomits. I'm also tired of this. Now that's the worst part of the father-in-law. Washing his vomit. He's tired of washing his father-in-law's vomit in the house. This family.
What if your just was the weight?
The
weight of Kinshasa.
Yeah. This is the weight.
Kiloa Kinshasa.
It was a weighty bunch.
Yeah. So the next song is Matata ya mwasi na mobali, ekosila tena mokili.
Here they are talking in Kikongo now.
Oh, this is Kikongo.
That's Kikongo.
That's Franco. Oh, nasali nini. What is
Rwanda? What did I do?
At least somehow.
How Martian? How Martian?
Somebody who is
I'm somebody's son.
Bondelanga soke na siliki. Just
try to beg me when you see me angry.
Please.
A woman usually likes the presence of her husband. I don't know why mine irritates you.
Yeah.
Let us share the blame now. You are bad and I'm also bad. Just accept.
So that at least we should look for a solution. Something.
We reach a what? What do they call it? An agreement.
Conclusion, something like that. Anyway, Matata na mwasi na mobali esilakate na mokili.
The conflict between a husband and a wife does not end. Will never end in this world.
At least when somebody feels in pain, just try to assist.
Try to appreciate their husband. You know, Franco composed this song to complain about women. You know, they never get They never get. You can't please a woman.
They are never
They're always
grateful.
complaining. Whichever effort you try
Yeah.
to do it in order to impress her or to make her live well, she'll just see it as maybe you are having
And that's something,
you're having an affair behind her back. She doesn't know that you are toiling to make something for the family, to make something to make her life comfortable.
Mwasi alingaka presence ya mobali
You are bad and I'm also bad.
Yeah.
Let's share the blame.
So in vocals, we also have Franco, Michelle Boibanda,
we have
Joskiki Amukuta, and Utamai. So the same song was also done in 1976.
By that time, Franco was still young. All of them were young.
Yeah.
If you can see the black and white video. Protect me when there is a problem.
Yeah.
You see, Bondela Mwana Moninga Ozinga Napasi. You know, marrying was not nowadays people don't marry. That's why you see there are so many single ladies.
Yeah.
Ozinga Napasi. Yani you got me through thin and thick.
Yeah.
It is it's a I don't know, a privilege, or can we call it a privilege or something?
Yeah.
You are lucky to have me as a husband.
Yeah.
Ozinga Napasi. Bondela Mwana Yapatu. Try to beg me at least, so that I can feel appreciated. You know, the man wants to be appreciated in this marriage. He's complaining. He's throwing his back to make things work in the
marriage. Yeah.
To look for money to make his wife to live in a comfortable way. But the wife is complaining. He's always complaining. In most cases, the woman loves the presence of her husband. But in this marriage, whenever the lady sees the husband, it is a chance to quarrel.
Yeah.
They start quarreling.
Yeah.
The man is not having any peace.
In the house. Yeah. Problem started. The mistake is
the problem is with you and
also me.
You have a problem, and also I can just accept you have a problem, and I also have a problem.
Yes, so that's
that's why we are having this conflict in the family. Hey, this song. We really enjoyed it.
Yeah.
Especially the band. Mama. Oh, mama.
Matata ya mwasi na mobali silakate na mokili.
The problem between a husband and wife will never end in this world. Bango bali ya kabala taka biso pantalo moko na ndako nanzoto.
Just one.
God, why did you create us men to be toiling for women?
Yeah.
We look for food for them, we dress them, we give them everything in life, but they don't appreciate us. In the long run, we only stay with one trouser on the body the whole year. We don't buy for ourselves. We normally forget about ourselves. We just we just work selflessly to these people, but they don't appreciate.
Yeah, pantalo is French for
trouser. The whole year. It has those touches. You know, you have a trouser with the patches, but they still don't appreciate.
Yeah.
You know, you have denied yourself everything.
Yeah.
To make your woman happy, but she doesn't appreciate you still.
Oh mama, mama, oh mama.
The person who gave birth to mom is a woman. The person who is tormenting me is a woman.
It's a woman.
God has given me a punishment. I usually give birth to ladies, girls, and when they grow into women, they will go to frustrate other people's sons.
And by the way, Franco had only one son.
He had only one son. And according to the rumor, the one son is sin. But according to the rumor, he had 17 children, maybe 17 girls and one boy. But according to that is according to the rumors. Me, I only know four kids.
Oh, you only know four?
Only four.
Oh, okay.
Helena,
the one married to
wife.
Yeah.
And Eve Emona, and there are some two. In America, yeah, there's one
in America.
There's one in America. Elise Luambo.
Oh, okay.
And there is another one. Just the name of just. When I think about this, I feel pain in my heart.
Yeah. When she goes out and then she comes back, you don't ask her.
You don't dare to ask where she's coming from. But the problem. But you, when you go outside, when you come back from home thinking that we'll eat and rest.
Compliments to rest.
You start asking some queer questions. Where are you from? Where were you? Outi wapi? Where were you? Where were you?
Malobaki boy.
Malobaki boy. I had people, they told me like this. I end up wondering.
The woman that
I
married with the dowry.
I married with dowry, my own money. Because now, who gave her the authority to start asking me where I came from? Where am I from? Hey, now the blame goes to Adam.
Why did you?
Franco now
is attacking Adam.
He attacked Adam. Why did he wear
that leave?
That's
something that's like
a piece of cloth.
Yeah,
a piece. Why did you wear a piece of cloth
that
allowed Eve to
lie to you, to mislead you?
To mislead you, yeah.
Kokosa.
So as to bring that's why you brought us then problem.
We are suffering. Chris Malim. Yes, Malim Chris Care. Thank you.
Malim is there. He's also doing some good job. Normally hear him in a studio somewhere.
Malim Chris Care.
Chris Care.
Thank you also for the good work you are doing.
Wherever you go, there's a problem. She just looks for problems for you.
Yeah.
She creates imaginary problems.
Yeah. Matata just problems.
He's appealing to women. You are the ones who
gave birth to us.
You are the ones who raised us. You are the ones who will get married to us. And you are the ones tormenting us. What can we do without you people?
when you get married
get
to
married to my husband, you start creating chaos in the house every day, every time. Why do you do this?
Oh mama, oh mama, ikaboni nzambe osala biso mibali.
Tosala kabwana.
Tosalela kabasi.
Bangomalia kabala
taka. Bisombula mobimba pantalo moko na nzoto.
I think we translated that before.
this
Franco is wondering why God created men to be toiling for women, to feed them, to dress them, to house them, and do everything. And men do that selflessly, forgetting about themselves. They normally wear only one trouser the whole year, a patched trouser, to make their wives happy, but still they get in trouble with those ladies.
Oh mama, mama, oh mama. Mwasi akoki koloba na yo.
Mwasi akoki koloba na yo.
A woman can tell you that. You know, a woman can tell you that she's having a stomachache.
Yeah.
But by the time you don't have money.
You don't have money.
So to buy medicine from
the pharmacy,
or to do what? To attend her medically.
Yeah.
And that's just a prank. Maybe
she's just like
doing a prank. She's pranking you to see.
She knows you're sick. She knows that she's just lying to you.
Yeah, she's just trying to. She's just trying to. These things is not start to do.
Oh mama, mama, oh mama.
Those people are not good people. But one about to say.
Nitafute Samuel.
I have the library in the head. When it comes to Lingala, I understand that any song, if you bring any song, Samuel Emmanuel, you bring it. It's the same as Nakoma mbanda na Let us have a information about this song. You know this song, Samuel Emmanuel, Madilu composed it to address the issues that happened in the family. Whenever a brother who was prominent, we call them illustrious brothers. Who had an illustrious sons of a community died. You know, they normally have somewhere leave behind
some widows,
a number of children, a number of wives,
properties,
and a lot of property. And most family members usually have an eye for the properties.
Yeah.
And in the Bantu tribe, this practice is common. Whenever a brother dies, the members of his clan come after 40 days to share whatever belonged to him.
Yeah.
But this thing has been misinterpreted to properties. What was supposed to be taken in the olden days, it was only clothes and any material that he used to
maybe
wear.
Shoes,
clothes, even the bakoras and even the hats. But some greedy relatives turned these things into, they took advantage of this
to
grab properties
from the widow.
leaving her with her children homeless,
Yeah.
with nothing.
They even take the vehicles.
They don't care because their brother has gone. So that's why
My
Madu
sister.
composed this song to address this problem in the society. Even he was urging the government to create a bill and pass it as a law
Yeah.
that will protect the widows and the orphans that are normally left behind after their parents die,
Yeah.
because the family members come and to take advantage afterwards, leaving these kids hopeless. Some of them even they don't have hope in life. They end up not going to school again
Yeah.
because the parents are no more. So this song is just like Nakoma mbanda na mama na mobali.
Yeah.
It's part of it is like that, but this it's a bit sad.
Yeah.
Now it talks about family grabbing properties of their dead kid. The inheritance that I got.
Heritage na
Heritage na zuba. It has become a problem. And this inheritance that was left for me. The Sieka was just a dedication.
Oh, dedication, yeah.
He was some prominent guy.
Yeah. Heritage na.
Just leave that around me. The inheritance that was left for me has brought me problems everywhere. Yeah, you know, this Ilungal is a phrase, a language full of phrases. You know, when someone says heritage, Beli is knife.
Yeah, it's a knife, yeah.
So you can't say that it looked for a knife for me. No, it doesn't translate that. It literally translates to Elukelingambeli translates to it brought me a knife. But in real sense, it brought me problems.
Yeah.
It got me into trouble.
Yeah.
You know, you know, when that man dies, he was a prominent person.
Yeah.
So whenever he dies, his kin becomes the next person who is the. That lady was the one who was supposed to be the family, the head of the family. Since the head of the family has passed, now the wife is supposed to be the head of the family.
Yeah.
So she's the one who is supposed to wear the mantle.
Yeah.
Ekotia Bokonzi is that crown.
The authority.
She's supposed to be crowned that authority, but to her, that crown eludes her. Ekotia Bokonzi kipa. Kolongo langeza kopepa mai na ibale. Kopepa mai na ibale is swimming.
Or swimming.
It's like you are swimming
in the river.
So it becomes elusive to her. We started Kikuku. Kikuku in Lingala is a kitchen, a very small, a tiny house.
Oh, like a
we started our life in a very tiny house. Even a bedsitter is better. You know, single rooms like in Eastlands. We never like me. I used to live in Tador in a single room.
Yeah.
You know, the toilets are outside.
Yeah.
I used to pay 700 back in 2000.
That is 10 by 10.
10, no, even 10 by 10 is big. Around 10 by 10 there.
Yeah.
So some of them are even 20.
It is the sitting
like
room.
15 by 15. This is one in everything. Sitting room, bedroom, kitchen is there. The toilets are normally outside.
The dining room.
The dining room, you it is upon you to separate. But we really struggle to reach where we are.
Together.
We really struggle together.
Yeah.
We put our efforts together to reach where we want to be. Stop looking at me with those hateful eyes of yours, full of
Which?
we call it full of evil.
Evil, yeah, the evil.
Your evil eyes. Don't look at me with those evil eyes of yours. You'll make me get confused. And you the man of dedication. Don't look at me with those evil eyes of yours. You are now confused. You're making me get confused. Samuel, my husband Samuel, see what they've done.
Done that to you now.
I'm the person who used to pay for your school fees in the campus.
Yeah.
Samuel. The same thing.
Yeah, this is a dedication.
When you are appointed to be a CEO, Samuel,
PDG.
PDG is the CEO. Your family, your kinsmen scramble to come in our house. You used to visit us every day. Every day, they used to eat every day.
Yeah.
They used to eat a big ugali
with the
with
mandondo.
With the mandondo ugali, a very big ugali with the mandondo. In our house. No one ran away from him.
Yeah.
Everyone wanted to be associated with you. Your uncles, your aunties, all of them welcome. Even your preferred relatives, they always wanted to be associated with you. Now that today you are dead, they've shown their true colors. That guitar is by Madoka. Those are the education. Those are the kids.
Kayembe Shetemba. Who is that?
Kayembe Shetemba is a guy who owns restaurants. Now he's an investor, a Congolese investor.
Yeah.
Who owns Kayembe Shetemba restaurant. He has some shops even in South Africa.
Zimbabwe.
The whole of Central and South Africa.
Yeah. And then on that note, there's this lady, Jose Kongolo,
FBI. Yeah. That's another lady who promotes music. Yeah. That lady is in Brussels.
Oh, she's in Brussels. Then we have Didi Kinwani.
Didi Kinwani is a diamond dealer.
Yeah, Mosombi Monene.
Mabanga. The wholesaler of who? Of what?
The Gamestone. Yeah.
Gamestone
dealers.
Yeah. And he's also controversial.
Yeah.
Yeah, you had your uncle. Yeah. That old uncle of yours.
Noko is an uncle
who comes from the village. He came here to grab the monitor, the TV, the computer monitor, thinking that it is a TV.
Yeah.
Television. Your auntie who has some scratches on body. He came to take the ekosila logbook.
Logbook. Voiture is French for a vehicle.
Because you are now dead somewhere.
Okufi now, yeah.
Your elder uncle, your elder brother who wears jeans trousers, who wears jeans trousers, that one who hates me. He came to take the title deed. And you all your jacket. Yeah, they are grabbing everything. And then Samuel, if it was possible to bury the dead in the house, I could have buried you for your family to flee this house.
Kokunda is to bury.
Kokunda to bury. You know, that lady is so desperate.
Yeah.
So desperate. These people are just taking everything from her. Taking it. If it was possible to bury in the house, she'd have buried. I said that I had forgotten the kids' feeding bottle in the house.
Yeah.
When I went for it, they sent the neighbor's dog to chase the neighbor's dog with the rotten teeth to bite me.
Yeah.
They send
the neighbor's dog
to bite me.
Yeah. Foisy French for a neighbor.
If I was Jesus Christ, I should have raised you from the dead.
Yeah. So kinazalaka.
Like Jesus raised
Lazaro. So kinazalaka.
Yesu Masihi.
I could have praised you.
You can see the way that lady was desperate. You know one thing with the Madilu, she copied something from his master. You know, his master was like he was an ambassador for women. He always address women's tribulations in the society.
Yeah, in the society.
Now this song is also addressing the tribulation women go through. Yeah. They are helpless in the family.
Yeah.
So if you have any potential in the family, try to ensure that your daughter is learned, she has an education, so that when she grows up and gets a man, she'll be having her job, she'll know her rights. Don't let your daughter to suffer in the hands of such evil people.
Yeah. Wanashikanisha hiyo maneno heritage nazua.
The inheritance that I got brought me trouble.
Bina nzembo oyo.
Dance this song. Lokasa ya Mbongo was here.
Lokasa ya Mbongo.
Dedication. He's playing as a guitar. You know, when you mentioned those guys, now you hear
they play the guitar
becoming prominent in the song.
Yeah. So that one is Lokasa ya Mbongo.
Lokasa now.
The rhythmist.
Yeah, the rhythm. You and this.
Bino Matata ya basi.
With
uncles.
You don't have mercy on your relatives, your brothers' children.
Yeah.
Don't you know that you also one day you will also have to leave this world and leave your children?
Yeah.
I just wonder with people of this world.
Mokili oyo.
And to come, but you're Mokili oyo. I just wonder with people. Sure, I just wonder. Now he's appealing to the government.
Oh, yeah. Now it's
Governor, he's appealing to the government.
oh.
Government, protect these widows.
Okay.
Make a bill to protect these widows.
Oh, basi.
The widows normally pass through a lot of
Problems when their husbands die.
in the hands of their in-laws. This makes many kids to become chokora.
Yeah.
You have to they grab everything from them. They don't go to school. They don't learn. They have to go later in the street.
Yeah.
If Franco was alive,
Yeah.
I could have asked him to form a song.
Yeah.
To sing
About-
to bash this family.
Yeah.
This family, they are impolite.
Oh, this family.
Family, but they're impolite.
Yeah. Oh.
Very impolite.
Oh, Tres Emboli.
One family with rotten manners. Less educated.
Yeah.
Thieves.
Miibi.
Hey.
Moibi is a thief.
Miibi is a plural for thieves.
Ooh. Unaenda mbali ili tuachie kama kama ni fight. Niongeze moja. Niongeze moja. Kuna hii ya bado nostalgia ya that song was composed by Joski Kiambukuta.
Kiambukuta Londa.
The song is called Nostalgia, and in fact it was played by the artist when he died.
It's a tradition in Congo. When you die, all your songs normally play. There they don't even play this. If you are a musician, all your songs will play. You like Simaru when he died. All Akina Mabele, the type.
Okay. You have to play
all the songs that the vehicle that was carrying the horse that was carrying his body. Was playing only his songs. Like here we play gospel. They play those rumba songs. Yeah. That's Joe Boy's voice.
That is John Boy's song. Cicatrice monene na motema. That is cicatrice monene. Cicatrice just like a scar in French.
Have a big scar in the heart.
In the heart, monene. Monene is big one. Heart is motema.
My heart is full of problems. This is a love song.
Yeah. The kambo ya
Sheri.
Sheri is my dear. Na koti na Nzambe. Kosambela is like to request, to pray. Yeah.
Nzambe Nzambe, a person got response.
Response
is
a reply, a response. I've looked for everywhere, but I've not seen anything. The song was Bipai Nyoso. This song was done 1982 there.
I don't know where it's gone. I don't see it.
Where did
you go, please? I'm so stressed.
Basusi. Etondi na motema.
I'm so stressed. I usually don't have sleep. I have sleepless nights. I don't. I usually sob in the night. Hey, give me back my heart. That's a nostalgia. You know, when things used to be good, and now you are now living in a
you are just thinking
in memories. You're just memorizing how things used to be good. This is the title of this song.
Yeah. Mama Nangai.
You know Mama Nangai? When someone says Mama Nangai, it's like wondering.
Yeah.
He's just wondering what happened. I was in a good relationship. I thought everything was going well.
Yeah.
Now eventually, all of a sudden, things went wrong.
Papayo nakoti nanzambe.
I'll send God.
Vikambo ya sheri. This issue, problem of my
because
dear.
Of this problem of my love.
Nasambeli nzambe.
I've prayed to God.
Ata response.
I've not gotten the response from my prayers. I've looked for him everywhere, but even there's no. I've not heard even his voice.
Yeah. Gai nayoka.
Kuyoka nzoto is I am
just like
being okay. Nayoki nzoto. That's a phrase.
Yeah.
Kuyoka nzoto.
Sheri, okay, wapi mama? My dear, where have you gone?
Yes, I am stressed out.
Inside my heart. Naleli na kati ya butu mama.
I cried in the night.
Over the night. Bring back
my heart.
Papa yo-yo. Papa yo-yo.
That is the voice of Joski Kiambukuta.
Now you hear that powerful voice.
Yeah. Nabangi liwa.
Papa yo-yo. Papa yo-yo. Nabangi. You see that?
Papa yo-yo. Papa yo-yo. Nabangi liwa.
Papa yo-yo. Papa yo-yo. Nabangi liwa. Papa mangali kolo na yo. You know, my dear, you know, Papa in this song now is not father. The way you can translate it in Gal. Papa means
this a lady.
Papa means sir. In this, the context is what matters.
Yeah.
Papa can mean sir.
Yeah.
Papa can mean father. Papa can mean my dear.
Yeah.
Papa oh yo yo. Papa oh yo. Yeah, she's ready to be killed because of her love.
Yeah.
Her husband.
Yeah.
Maybe this is not a marriage. Maybe they were in relationship.
Yeah.
So the lady is saying she's ready to be killed because of this man.
Yeah. Babu manga likolo na yo.
I'm fearing dying because of you.
Yeah. Babu manga likolo na yo. They're just going to kill him because of you.
Because of you. when I become sick.
Yeah, Kobela is to be sick.
My dear.
Batangela.
Someone should just mention
your name.
That'll be okay.
Yeah. They just mention your name.
And that'll be okay.
They just mention the name.
I'll get well.
Yeah, Kobika is to be well.
Yeah.
Maladi is
the
sickness of the ailment will end. Otikinga Shere Ngana Zangi. Yeah, you've left me.
You just left me.
I'm missing you.
I'm just desperate. Just left me desperate.
Mokolongana kokufashe.
To be fashe is to be what? To be angry.
Oh yeah.
When I get
angry.
Stress fashe.
Oh okay.
So they just mentioned
the name of Kakenda.
Kakenda's name. They should bring me the photo of Mukoy.
Yeah. They mentioned the name of Delila. They just mentioned the name of Pepe. Pepe Opetum Dombe.
That way I'll
get well. Yeah. Kobika is to be well.
Was also the member.
Yeah. Nakende wapi Shere?
You just left me desperate.
Where can I?
Where do you want me to go?
Yeah.
Where do I go? I have no one else.
Yeah. Mokolongana kokufa. Mokolo is a day when I die. Oye langa fleur rose. You bring me the rose flower.
Just play, just music in my funeral.
Oh, that's why you said they normally play. Obete langa muziki ya okay. Play for me the music of.
That's a tradition. Princess is his daughter.
Oh.
You know that he had a son, one son and two, Princess and Aminata.
Oh, Aminata.
Aminata, Princess, and Madi. Madi is the son.
Oh.
So if you hear
Princess is just okay.
You know his first wife died in the 80s.
Okay.
So he was the mother of those three.
Okay.
Aminata is his daughter.
The daughter.
Yeah. Those are his children. Picho.
Malad is just a disease. Kosila is to end. Thank you, my sister, Margaret Amisi.
Oh, I can see you have so many,
Yeah,
so many fans.
yeah,
I'm doing good.
yeah.
Now that's certification. Yes,
Oh, yeah, people's names. Yes, now, this is the song Bongo. Bongo is money.
money. Bongo is the problem. There's problem in this world.
This world.
There are three things in this world:
Yeah.
money, women, and wine.
Yeah.
Hmm? Yeah, and money always bring the other two.
Yeah.
If you have money, those two will come. That's the voice of John Poi,
Yeah.
Candida, the son of Shaba.
It's the
But
son
the
of Shaba.
composition was Sumaru Lutumba.
Yeah.
Both are deceased. That's true, Sumaru Lutumba.
Yeah.
That guitar.
That guitar is by
Luambo.
Luambo.
Listen, that rhythm is.
Oh, the rhythm is by Smaro.
Simaro.
Yeah.
The bisolo is Luambo.
Yeah. And then the bass is by Butidek.
Putideka was always the bassist.
Yeah.
And even Nani Gegebaga was the bassist also.
Okay.
In the UK jazz.
I think now the solo was maybe Jerry or Papa Noel.
You know, Franco used to play, his favorite guitar was the Misolo.
Yeah. Ikolo Ekoinda.
Bula Ikonoka. And everything, you know, Lingala is a phrase. It's a language full of phrases. Likolo Ekoinda, Bula Ikonoka. Everything will be very bad.
It's like when the rain is coming, the heavy one.
Yeah.
Or what they call in political,
Like
whatever, tsunami.
Like when Nani Simaro said that Mukolona Kokufa, Kake Kobeta. Yeah, and we saw it. When he died, almost the Rumba fraternity.
Felt it.
They really felt it. It was a big blow. Selija was a musician.
Yeah.
He's from Niger or which country?
Oh, it's from Niger.
Yeah, but he was in which country? He was from Congo, Brazzaville. That's where was his adopted country.
Oh.
But originally, he came from other Francophone African nations.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yokande mokileza liko ningana. The way the world is
trembling now.
Trembling.
Everything is money.
Lisolo mosusute. Lisolo is the story. There's no other word. Everything is just about money.
About money. The society. Even the witch doctor, if you visit him, you are looking for money, and he will also ask you for the same money. Now you wonder, this man, I came to him for his help, to help me get money, and he's also asking me for the same money, and I don't have money. My love, you are rejecting me just because I'm poor.
Yeah. Kelani
was his
Smaros
widow.
Yeah.
So he was telling
Kelani to bring him the guitar.
To bring the bakoko.
Oh, Sengela Bangkoko. Ask our forefathers who brought this man.
And things are going to be bad because he doesn't have money.
Yeah.
See the way I've just put my hands on my head.
On my head.
Kelani asked who made this money.
Who came up with this money? Kelani. Ask
Simaro is asking his wife,
Kelani.
His wife Kelani, Mama Kelani,
To ask the forefathers
who made money. Money makes someone, money breaks people.
Yeah.
This money makes things, creates
Like,
things, builds.
yeah.
Money builds, money destroys.
Yeah.
The
way they say
mobebisi.
In that song, pesa ya ua tena ni maua.
Shilingi maua tena ya ua. Eloko oyo mobongisi.
It can make you
money brings development. Eloko oyo mobebisi.
It destroys.
The money destroys. So the same way it brings progress, it also destroys. Even he went to seek for medicine doctors help.
Yeah.
But since he didn't have money, he was turned away.
Yeah.
This thing made him almost, he got mad.
Because the bomber
is getting crazy.
When the stress was too much, I went
to seek for witch doctors help. To look for what do we call rituals,
Those
to get ritual money.
Those like charms, concoctions.
To give him charms, so that he
can make money. The stress was too much.
The witch doctors are also
asking for money.
They are also tricksters.
Yeah,
they are conmen.
Yeah.
The witch doctor he got is
just suffering.
He's unlucky, just like him. He doesn't have money. He's asking for the same money, which I don't have.
Asenginga mbongo.
Asenginga lisusu mbongo. The thing that I'm still struggling with.
Nazaliko look. I'm looking
for the same money, and the most shocking thing, the witch doctor is asking for the same money. I don't have money. I came over to him to assist me to get money, but instead he's asking for the same money. I don't have money to go. Selija give me money so that I also become proud.
Yeah.
I don't have anyone's debt.
Yeah.
Luambo. Marabu is a witch doctor also.
He's a witch doctor.
So he's saying that Marabu, they say Marabu helps people. I want you to help me to get money.
Okay. Tunelanga nanzambe likambo oyo. Ask this thing.
Ask God about this issue.
Yeah.
Who created money?
Eloko ya mbongo.
This issue called money.
Yeah. Boyando kinamoki.
Boyando
inamoki. And you don't have something like.
He doesn't have a brother or a sister. Money does not have a brother. It doesn't. If you follow money, you end up getting it.
Yeah.
Whoever created money brought problems
in
the
this
world.
world.
We will report you to God.
To God. You money.
Money, oh money.
Where did you come from?
Where is your origin?
Money.
You money, where is your origin? Who is your mother? Who is your father? I had the men, the old men
discussing you.
There are three things that spoil this world: women. You know, they were talking while they enjoying cashew nuts. Cashew nuts.
Oh, cashew nuts.
Cashew nuts. They were enjoying cashew nuts with their mouths full of cashew nuts. With some cashew nuts in their hands. They were discussing about money.
Kotonga. They were discussing.
They were like Kotonga is to
backbite.
They were backbiting money. You gave birth to your mother. Money has a sibling.
Yeah.
And the sibling, there are two siblings.
Man is the first born.
A woman is the second.
Yeah, the follower to money.
Money and women
have shaken.
They are siblings.
Yeah.
The two things have made the world to tremble. They have caused tremor in the world.
Yeah.
L'argent is money in French.
Oh, it's money.
Oh, l'argent.
Oh, it's money.
Yeah. Oh, money. Bongo mobengisi, bongo mobongisi. Mobongisi and mobikisi.
Yeah.
Money makes, money breaks.
Yeah.
Now the band there.
Hii gitaa hiyo inafanya nini ya Franco ama?
Hiyo ni special.
Oh, Franco.
Huyo ni kama
Oh, kwa hii. Oh, you see. Oh. Oh, you. Okay. Yeah, Michelle knows that.
Michelle knows also good at it. Michelle knows Mapatiku.
Visi.
No, one of the legends.
Yeah,
living legends. Dia delicate.
Oh, among this.
Dia delicate.
Basi lekina ke kwanza Wenza is normally like
it's a market.
As a market.
You know, troubles are too much. I've decided to go to the market. Money. I've seen. I saw a lot of problems over there. Even the old people have grown. Those who have grown old because of money. they've gone to be guards.
Oh, gods.
Eh.
Oh.
Instead of staying home to enjoy life,
Yeah.
because of the problems of the society, it has forced them to become guards in order to earn a living, just because of money.
Yeah.
The world is coming to an
To
end.
an end. Bato balembaka na kaka mbongo te.
Mhm.
People they never get satisfied.
You find that if someone is too rich, but he's still looking for the same money.
Nzambe ya mokili.
Mbongo. Money has become the god of the world.
Yeah.
He's requesting Selija to give him money
So
that
that
he can also bounce around.
bounce, yeah. Kodondo.
Like someone who doesn't have somebody's debt.
Money, money. I'm just singing about you. Money.
What's the origin?
Utawa pio mbongo. Bomengo tozali komona na baninga. These riches or the wealth you are seeing with our friends.
With our friends here. It's full of issues. Some people, the money they have is for their wealth, from their
own sweat.
They sweat for it. Let him do whatever he wants.
Let him enjoy.
Let him enjoy the money. Others will get it as an inheritance they got from their family. Don't follow him. You'll end up stealing. You'll end up stealing. Don't follow him.
Mosusu
some people go to an extent of getting
sacrificing their
charms. They get charms after sacrificing their
families. Yeah.
So they finished all the relatives to get rich. Don't follow them. You will remain alone with family. Some of them are just entrepreneurs. They misappropriate government's money. Kolanda Bangote Okokota Makala will be in jail for nothing. Thank you very much.
Hello.